Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make toasted corn mutton sandwiches. So let's get started.
I've got here 2 cans of corned mutton. You can use 1 can if you like. Salt to taste. 4 cloves of grated garlic. 2 tablespoons of oil, which is 40 milliliters. And 2 medium onions, which I have chopped into small pieces. If you want, you can also add chilies as well. And I've also got here 4 slices of bread and some butter. You will also need a sandwich press or a Jaffles maker. If you do not have one, then you can use a non-stick fry pan and make it on the stove. The first thing we need to do is remove excess fat from the corned mutton. Cut the top off from the can, place the can on low heat and heat it. Line a plate with a piece of foil to collect the fat as it melts. Use a spoon to scoop the melted fat and put it on the foil. Once most of the fat is removed, put it aside and repeat this with the second can. Fold the foil with the fat and throw it in the bin. To fry the corned mutton, place a fry pan on medium heat. Add oil and heat it. Add onions, give it a mix and cook it for 2 minutes. Add garlic, mix it and cook it for 30 seconds. Add corned mutton and 2 pinches of salt, or you can add it according to your taste. Give it a mix. Cover it and cook it for 5 minutes, stirring it twice during cooking. After 5 minutes, turn the heat off and transfer it into a dish. Butter the bread on one side only and place the bread with butter side facing each other. Put some corned mutton evenly on top. The amount will depend on how thick or thin you want the toasted sandwiches to be. Carefully place 1 piece of bread with the corned mutton with the butter side facing down in the sandwich press. And place the second piece of bread on the top with the butter side facing up. And repeat this with the remaining sandwiches. Cook it until golden. Take them out on a chopping board and cut each toasted sandwich diagonally and it is ready to serve. Leftover corned mutton can be kept in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 5 days. When you want to make the toasted sandwiches, just take the required amount out and you can make it. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.